Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to become a seller on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to become a seller on Temu, you'll need to register on their seller platform and provide necessary business information, including your store name, logo, contact information, and tax details. So you'll also need to submit required documents such as your business license and ID. After verification, you can simply set up your store and list your products. So for this, you need to simply create a Temu seller account and complete your registration form. Now submit the required documents that have been asked and set up your seller profile by adding your store name, logo, and contact information. Now once approved, you can simply start listing your products on Temu and manage orders and serve your customers. So this is how you can become a seller on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.